So why do top leaders keep praising this one book? Let's find out.
What makes the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People so influential, even today?
We're looking at praise printed right inside the book from 4 very different leaders.
First up, let's hear from the visionaries, the big picture thinkers in business and personal growth.
Kevin Turner, a top exec at Microsoft, calls it one of the most important business books.
For him, it's essential because it teaches timeless, universal truths for leaders.
And author Anthony Robbins totally agrees. He says it's all about mastering the fundamentals.
So the big takeaway here? Success is built on principles that just don't change.
Okay, so how does this play out in the real world? Let's look at the practitioners.
Take Olympian Michael Phelps. He actually credits its goal-setting approach for his success.
His whole method boils down to 3 simple steps: dream, plan, and reach.
It's not just for athletes. Global project manager Juan Nino had a similar breakthrough.
Basically, the book gave him a new lens to see things clearly and reset his internal compass.
So what's the common thread here? From the boardroom to the swimming pool?
It's the principles. Each of these leaders used the book's core ideas in their own way. And that's really why this matters. These principles act like a compass for anyone, anywhere. So it makes you think, right? If principles bring this much clarity, what are yours?